Suppose you are working in a company and your manager, he says, see, I know you are working with me for so long time for like this, but what I want you to become in future, so for you to take up that higher responsibility, you really need to start training yourself, learning yourself, and then bringing up yourself in the next 3 years. So in the same way, what we have to understand is that దేవుడికి మన పట్ల కొన్ని ఉద్దేశాలు, he has plans for us, he has purposes for us, and when you spend time in God's presence, he will reveal them to you. You will understand. You don't know how, but he will, either through the word of God, or could be through dream, or it could be through somebody else. He will reveal that plan. And once you understand that plan, you really need to work towards that plan. If you don't pay attention to that plan, so what will happen is that will get delayed.